Honey, nanginginig pa for this video. How are you and how old are you? You have Diaz. Just drop some 1K for private. And then after you drop, then just do private. I wish you have a good day. Dapat walang space. Wala akong sound na yun eh. Kung gagan sana ako. How are you and how old are you? Ay, dami viewers. Nag-ibala ako ng kulay ng buhok, ha? Nice to meet you, ID884. Can I be your friend? How are you? Send more gift, baby. I wish you have a good day. If you want to make happy, just drop some kiss me. And I have a good surprise gift. Surprise gift, guys. For kiss me. Hi, Jiro. Nice to meet you, Jiro. Where are you from? How are you? Mohammed HMD, hello. You want to make happy? MM, nice to meet you, MM. Hi, thank you so much, kids. Send more love. I wish you have a good day. Where are you from? I thought you have a nice day, kids. What are you doing now? Can I be your friend? What are you doing? You want me happy? Do 100, Kens. I'm gonna squeeze it to you, Kens. Just do 100. Nanginig pa for today's video. How naman, Kens? Send more gift, follow me back. Don't forget to follow me back, Kens. I wish you have a good day. Woohoo! Eat your breakfast na. Alagaan pa kita. You speak Tagalog, Kens. What are you doing now? Have a good day. Have a nice day. I'm glad to see you. Do 100, Kens. You will be mine in my heart. Just do 100. Pa for today's video. Have a Saturday. What are you doing now? How old are you? Speed, nice to meet you, Speed. Nice to meet you. Can I be your friend? Have a nice day, guys. Kindly PM me on Telegram. And then after you do this the private. What are you doing, guys? Is it good or not? Can you drop some kiss me for a surprise gift? How are you and how old are you? Kindly PM me on Telegram. Bob, nice to meet you, Bob. Can I be your friend, Bob? Hi, Atakan. Send more